everyone, I'm Ashley Harris. I'm welcoming you to the Detroit Fashion Virtual Cocktail Hour on March 28th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to have an amazing time networking live on video, making international and national contacts while strengthening our resources and community. I will be in the Detroit Fashion Community Roundtable room talking about my background and knowledge in women's wear design and development, my time interning for Vera Wang in New York City, and what it's like creating an up-and-coming design label while creating original designs for clients, all while working a full-time job as a product engineer in the automotive seating industry. Join us there. We can't wait to see you.